the sample preparation, we have our microplastics, we have our cuvette. So first of all, we're going to fill this cuvette with 2000 microliter of water, and then after that, we're going to add 30 microliters of this sample into the cuvette, step by step, in order to increase its concentration. And for that, we're going to use this pipette, and after doing so, this cuvette will then go inside our system, and then it will be covered by our black box over here, in order to avoid excess light, in order to avoid any extra light going into the system to affect our results. We've measured 2000 microliters of water, which is now going to be placed in our system. So for the microplastics, first we will shake it using the system. After that, we'll open this up. So we're going to be adding 30 microliters. And this is added into our system. Our system now, after when the microplastics have been added, we're going to shake it a bit as well. It goes back into the system. The cover off.
And once we turn on, you can see from the screen all the steps. So first it tries to connect to the Wi-Fi module, then now it's connected to the Wi-Fi module. It tells you to connect to the Wi-Fi module. So now you just wait to send the sample. Reset button. So once you send your data and you want to send a new data, you first press this to reset it. And as you can see, the system goes off and on again, restarts. Nice. Okay, so this is ThinkSpeak, an IoT project online. So this is a part of the system. So before you do anything, you need to sign in and create your own channel so that you have an API, so that you can send the data from the box to ThinkSpeak. So for us, we have, if you have a MATLAB, basically MathWorks account, you can sign in with that. So I'm gonna just go sign in with mine. And let's type the password. Log in. After that, you need to create your own channel. So we already have a channel here called Sensor. So you go to your channel, and then you go to API keys. So basically what you need is, this is your API, and this is your method for writing onto the system. So you copy your API and your system, and now let's see where you put those. For initialization, at the initial, you need to connect to the Arduino inside the box, and you need to give which Wi-Fi and password you're using. So for example, now we're using Ivy Student, and it's Wi-Fi. You set these two so they connect to Wi-Fi, and here you just changed. You put your get method for writing to the ThinkSpeak, which has your API included in it. That's the only three things you need to change in the system. Then you upload it, then you're good to go. So now you can see that we're receiving the data on ThinkSpeak. So for us now, we're using the student version, which sends one data in every 15-70 seconds. But if you buy it, you can make it send it out 1 per second. That you can make it faster.